The first time I was here, it was Isiama Circuit. Then Atuabo Circuit, now Nkroful Circuit. It's a good program. But please, there's a very important thing I want to correct. The spelling of my name. Very, very important. When your letters are coming to me and I see the same name wrongly spelled, I don't know why. Because I've been writing letters to you. So the name is there. So even if you have forgot, you just refer to a letter and then you see the name there. It's Adodoadji. Adodoadji. That's the spelling of the name. And I keep saying that anytime you hear Te, then the person is a Ghana Dangbe. Yes. So we name according to where we come from. So we are identified by our names.